you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But this morning, as y'all saw, I just did my little like clean girl everyday makeup, which is just the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. I went in with the Rare Beauty Brow Flex Gel, and then I added a little bit of pigment to the eyebrows to fill in like the sparse areas. And then I tried out their new moisturizing repair balm serum, and a little bit goes a long way. You could use this on your face and your body, but I used it on my face as like a moisturizer after I washed my face, and like I can tell that it gave me like a little bit of moisture to my face, but not greasy. So we're heading to Universal, and I'm about to go pick up my cousins. So I'll see y'all when I get there. She's saying that and she's prepared to cuss out somebody else. We made it to Universal with our Kim Aid. So we all have a Kim Aid. Where's Miss Kim Aid over here? We all have a Kim Aid. Kim Aid, I mean Alani Nutrition, sponsor us. We all have a Kim Aid. We're at Universal. We're about to have a great time. We're about to get lit with Sarah. Sarah, you about to get on all the roller coasters, huh? You better not.
I am.
You better not.
I'm
this
scared,
time.
but I was preparing myself. I trained on Friday.
Train for what? We ain't like we going to a marathon or something. She said I trained.
I was on the swings, going as high as I can, just getting ready for it. Just woo!
Really?
Yeah. I wasn't really training for that. But I was on the swings and I was
They have like this drop. They got this drop that goes like up, and then it just drop you.
the water bottles.
The Hulk, we gotta go on the Hulk. We gonna do single riders again, like we did at Disney. Y'all, the best thing to do when you come with your friends is go single riders, so you don't have to wait for a long time on the rides. Okay, unless it's like that's what you have to do. But we'll see y'all when we get inside past security. You cannot chicken out now. Have you ever been on this ride?
No, I've never been. This is me before going on. What's this one called?
Doom's Fall.
Doom's Fall. I'm very scared, but I'm just gonna scream along. That's all I can do.
She just gonna scream a lot.
I'm gonna go like this.
Stand clear the door.
The worst that happens is what? I pass out?
No. What's the after? What's the after effect? The after effect. The after effect.
That was good. It was fun.
It was fun, right?
10 out of 10. It needed to be
10 minutes, a little bit longer, right? Y'all, we're pulling up to my hood. I used to work at this restaurant when I was in college back in 2015. I used to work here. This is where I used to work, Comic Strip Cafe in Toon Lagoon. This brings back so much memories. Oh my God, and the ugly uniforms. The ugly uniforms. The uniforms was horrible, horrendous, ugly. But y'all, this is my area. This is Comic Strip Cafe. That's the ice cream shop. We had Blondies over there where you can get subs. Sometimes. Then we had all of the carts. Back to my hood. Ah! Ooh.
stash it. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas everywhere to bang it. Gotta move smart, gotta move hard. Nigga try to give me 5 miles. I lay his ass down on my son, on my dad. I had the Draco with me drink color. A lot of niggas out here playing they color. I done put a whole arm in the rim, this talk. Get down and no poppy, get a kid for the fuck. Charlie Belly sitting double six, I bubble. Got a bitch that looking like a little shit mother. Slip. My whip, lips. Compton, I'm about to get the kid to the city. Panic, like, sick. We're getting out the coupe at the lot. 1 for a 12 for a swat. Busting all the pills out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the whole damn deal. We be jumping like the green. She said that nigga so. Turn on white, but nigga no. Slash. I won't never sell my soul. When I can take that, and I really wanna know where you at.
I was able to go on so many rides doing single rider. Like I told y'all, single rider trick is the trick to get on all the rides you want to get on without having to wait so long. Okay. She said she wants some almonds. I'm gonna get some almonds. That's if they have them. Most of the time they probably don't have them. So we're about to eat after. I'm gonna go to where I used to work, of course, because they got good food. Popcorn smells good.
Adam.
Cheeseburger, fries, and a drink is $20. Of the good old days when I was in college working in here. I used to stand right there at that cash register and check out people all the time, and then they'll be like, are you open? No, I'm just standing here looking cute. Back there in the line. They changed up the menu. They don't have the sweet and sour and beef and broccoli combo anymore. Now they have ramen. So just be wary when you come in here, but they have so many options. They have like pizza, burgers, ramen. So yeah. Here's the burger. Here's the bacon cheeseburger, and then here's the pizza. Yum. We're out here in Soup Landing. There's a Simpsons ride.
Butterfinger, peanut butter, and anything else later?
Chocolate M&M.
Oh, guys.
Peanut butter, chocolate M&M.
Strawberry chocolate swirl.
What is this? A Christmas Snookers? These are what these things are called? King cake.
That's like Mardi Gras.
That's what that is? And a hat. A brookie. Y'all, they made us wait in that line for it to stop working.
This giant ice cream, a formal apple.
This is heaven on earth. Ooh, she's still in.
I need y'all funky candy.
Yeah. Why are you tapping this? Watermelon, Dr. Pepper, jelly beans. This is what? Peach, popcorn, jelly beans. Why you want popcorn, jelly beans?
Gummy clusters.
Right?
Watermelon, green apple, coconut, cotton candy. These are for the kids. A little something for the kids. Okay. We were on that Seuss ride and they literally broke it down. Talking about something. They had us waiting in there and it was like, oh, it's broke. We're gonna give y'all a little one-time pass to go on another ride. But the ride you want to go on is not included on there. So now we're in here getting candy because this girl got a sweet tooth. Look.
I'm big. Who cares?
She said her back is big.
I literally said nothing about my backside.
They got chocolate sunflower seeds in here, y'all. Like, how y'all tricking people to get chocolate sunflower seeds? Watch you go weigh that candy and it's $40.
I don't think so. That's why I'm playing it smart, movie.
They notorious for that. Yeah, fill up that bag and it is $40 for some candy. Hot tamales. I love Mike and Ike. Nerds.
Okay, my last video.
All right now, all right. Yeah. That sweet tooth. When you talking about your back, you trying to tone up that back. Oh look, they have almonds. Roasted nuts.
They're all cinnamon sugar roasted.
See, and you was looking for that.
We have almonds, cashews, and pecans.
Look at you. Look at the Lord. You was looking for that today. Sorry. Looking for some almonds today. And they told us we don't got that today.
1667, friends.
They sounded like the Jamaican restaurants where you go in there and they be like, me no have that.
I don't know how this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets on my leg. I'm 21 trying to live it up. Yeah, right, baby. Yeah, right it, yeah. Bring it over to my place. Beauty life, baby. Yeah, I know you, yeah. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you need to me. Your body love it, it speaks to me. I don't know what you did to me.
Furious. It's only 10-minute wait. There's nobody in this line. I'm dead.
You say that, you get to the front, and it's like,
It says 10 minutes though. You know, 10 minutes like 2 minutes in the Universal world. And I got some beads, so I didn't catch them. Sarah did. We're in Fast and Furious. Look at the cars.
Dominic Toretto, he's out racing at the moment, and I bet he won. That's probably why Mia's calling.
Hey Pat, I see our partygoers have arrived.
They just came in. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
Dom's sister. Well, another race. just
2 steps forward, guys. 2 steps forward, please.
With another car for his collection. Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
They're crazy.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room.
Aww.
Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
He says that every day.
These, as you see on these walls, are our family.
Where's my picture?
When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again. So, welcome to our family.
Welcome to the family. Speaking of family, here's Tej. Hey Tej, you're on the monitor.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Ted,
I'm also here.
welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
No, somebody's going by.
It's the last ride.
Then move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Don't run. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please watch your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the crusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle.
Y'all, we've been influenced to get a drink. I'm about to get a roast meal to end the night.
It tastes like
Mango passion fruit. Right now. Butter beer, ginger beer. Shake it up.
I should watch TV and do my puzzle. That has not been no problem.
Thank you. Thank you. You're missing a little something, honey.
There we go. So I'm looking for a certain color.